Something extraordinary is happening at the new Camp Nou. And if the current pace continues, the stadium could look completely different in just a matter of weeks. Massive steel structures are rising faster than ever. Another major milestone has just been reached, and for the first time, parts of the stadium are beginning to reveal their final look. Everywhere you look, crews are pushing the project forward at full speed, with several construction fronts advancing simultaneously. Today's update is packed with progress you definitely don't want to miss. So, let's dive straight into today's Camp Nou construction update. Work inside the third tier continues to move forward, especially around the core sections where construction crews remain focused on developing essential infrastructure. Progress is visible around the future service areas, including spaces that will eventually house bathrooms, hospitality facilities, and other amenities. Although the third tier is still some time away from opening, structural work continues steadily where it's needed most, while the majority of resources remain focused on the stadium's priority areas. The third tier continues to evolve as more scaffolding is installed, particularly around the tribune side of the stadium. Temporary access platforms now extend across a larger portion of the upper level, allowing crews to reach new work areas safely and efficiently. At the same time, the upper seating bowl is becoming increasingly recognizable, with the stepped structure now clearly defining the final shape of the third tier. Along the newly installed scaffolding, several structural components have now been attached that appear to be part of the future lighting system. While their exact purpose hasn't been officially confirmed, they strongly resemble the supports that will eventually carry the stadium's floodlights. If that is the case, preparations for the upper lighting installation are already progressing, marking another important milestone in the development of the roof-level infrastructure. The VIP ring continues to be one of the project's biggest priorities. Construction teams are concentrating on completing access routes, vertical circulation, and the surrounding infrastructure required for this premium area. Securing the necessary permits for the VIP ring remains a major objective, making this section one of the busiest and most important construction zones on the site. The elevator and staircase cores continue growing as crews install additional steel members throughout the structure. New beams are being welded into place, steadily expanding the framework that will eventually connect multiple levels of the stadium. Compared to previous visits, the progress is easy to notice, with more structural sections now fully assembled and taking shape. Work also continues around the stadium's core structures, where crews are carrying out detailed finishing and reinforcement tasks. Additional materials are being applied around several anchoring points, likely as part of the final adjustments before the next construction phase begins. These smaller but essential improvements help prepare the cores for the installation work that will follow over the coming weeks. High above the stadium, work on the compression ring continues advancing around the curve. The steel boxes waiting for installation are gradually becoming smaller as construction approaches the end of this section. One medium-sized box is already prepared with its lifting slings attached, suggesting it could be one of the next pieces installed. With constant activity around the cranes, another lift could take place at any moment as crews continue extending the ring. One of today's biggest highlights is the return of ceramic louver installation in the south stand. Workers have resumed placing the colorful ceramic panels around the central pillar area, and another louver has already been installed. The specialized lifting equipment remains active nearby, positioning itself for the next installation. With several additional louvers now visible, this section is once again making rapid progress, bringing more of the stadium's iconic Blaugrana facade to life. Construction activity remains strong on the north stand, where another small steel box appears to have been lifted into position by the tower crane. Around it, crews continue preparing sleeper beams, temporary supports, and additional structural components needed for the next phase of the compression ring. The steady arrival and installation of these steel elements show that work on the north stand is continuing at an impressive pace, with progress visible across multiple areas at the same time. Ground preparation continues to advance around the south stand. Most of the surface treatment has now been completed, although one small section still shows a slightly different finish that will likely receive another coating. Once this final treatment is completed, the area will be fully ready for the installation of the expanded clay and the remaining ground layers, bringing the exterior landscaping another step closer to completion. The south stand facade is looking more spectacular with every passing day. Protective coverings have now been removed from many of the ceramic louvers, allowing the full Blaugrana color pattern and wave-like design to become visible. Both the vertical facade and the soffit beneath the first tier are gradually revealing the final architectural appearance, giving fans a much clearer vision of how iconic the finished stadium will look. Activity continues around the south stand core structures, where the steel framework supporting the future ceramic louvers is steadily expanding. At the same time, construction crews remain active inside the cores, completing interior work before the surrounding sandwich panels fully enclose these sections. The combination of structural and facade work shows multiple construction phases progressing simultaneously. Construction teams are carrying out highly detailed inspections of every ceramic louver anchor. Workers continue measuring and adjusting each fixing point to ensure perfect alignment before installation begins. While these tasks may not be visually dramatic, they are essential to achieving the precise wave pattern that defines the stadium's unique ceramic facade. Near the future café area, construction activity continues both inside and outside the structure. Fresh formwork remains visible around several columns, while scissor lifts inside the building suggest that crews have already begun installing interior wall systems. This area is steadily transitioning from structural construction toward interior development. Another area making steady progress is the north goal corner, where facade louver installation continues to expand. More support brackets have now been installed, allowing crews to gradually extend the mounting system for the ceramic louvers. The completed sections are already revealing more of the stadium's final exterior, and with each new installation, the facade continues wrapping further around the corner. At the current pace, the north goal corner is expected to look dramatically different in the weeks ahead. Concrete pouring remains one of today's biggest highlights. Following the arrival of additional concrete trucks, crews continue casting the slab of the first and largest diamond structure without interruption. Workers operate vibrators, finishing tools, and the concrete pump simultaneously to ensure the slab is poured to the highest quality. The operation continues at an impressive pace, bringing this major structural element significantly closer to completion. The transformation of the new Camp Nou is becoming more impressive with every update. From the rapidly advancing roof structure to the expanding facade and the continuous progress across the surrounding construction zones, the project is moving forward at an incredible pace. With so many key areas advancing simultaneously, the next few updates could bring some of the biggest milestones we've seen so far.